morning students. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to deal with the desert. This is a lesson in your supplementary lesson An Alien Hand. In this lesson, the writer tells us many interesting facts about desert. As you know students, when you come across this word desert, you feel that deserts are full of sand and hot atmosphere. But it is not so. Deserts also are very beautiful places with many interesting facts in them. Let's deal with the article. Sometimes we are not familiar about desert conditions. So what do we think? That there is no rain, there is hot sand everywhere. But it is not so. There is a scanty rain. Rain is there, but scanty rain. And whatever rain the desert receives, it grows beautiful flowers and variety of plants, and the place looks really beautiful. Animals even are there in the desert. We already know that camels live in desert. The animals, those who are in desert, they have adapted themselves with the desert conditions. They have adapted themselves, means they have made themselves used with the conditions of desert, that is hot atmosphere, the sand and everything. As we know that there are not always the green plants, but whatever plants there are, they are beautiful, they make the deserts beautiful. The writer even tells that deserts have extreme weather conditions. Sometimes they are very hot, like Thar Desert in India, and sometimes they are very cold, as in Ladakh. Students, in this way we can see many things about deserts. Deserts are not always arid wastelands. That means they are not always barren. Sometimes there are oases in the desert. Oases are the beautiful places in the deserts. I'll just show you the oasis. See, such a place is called as oasis. The oasis is a place full of water in the midst of desert. And as you can see, many plants grow around that place. That's why these are the beauty spots in deserts. Even another feature of desert is that sand dunes. Because of the strong winds, the sand is driven from one place to another, and heaps of sands are formed. These are really dangerous. Why? Because the sand which is taken away from one place to another can cause life of another person, another visitor, whoever is caught in that sand dunes. There is a shortage of water, but the animals in the desert have made themselves used to this condition. As we know, camel is called as the ship of desert. Why? Because it has adapted himself to the desert conditions. Its skin, its posture, body posture, everything is tuned with the desert. Camels even can drink gallons of water at one go and can live without water for many days afterwards. The skin of camel is very thick. That's why it can withstand the highest body atmospheric temperatures in the desert. Some more facts about deserts are also given. Smaller animals are there in the desert. They live in burrows, and at night they come out. Last year in 6th standard you must have learnt about desert animals, how they drink the droplets at night and how they get water from plants even. Sometimes they eat meat of smaller animals, and this way also they satisfy the need of water and food both. Writer tells us about desert plants. Cactus are the most beautiful plants. We even use cactus to decorate our houses. The plants in desert are always having thick leaves. Why? So that the water in the leaves should not be evaporated. And that's why the desert plants are totally different. They can live in that water condition, scarce water condition even. So in the end, writer tells us that as forests are important, as the seas are important, deserts even are important. They are also one of the main features of this earth. So we have to love deserts, and we have to visit deserts even, and we have to accept them as a part of our life. Students, this is all about the lesson. As you know, it is a supplementary lesson. You have to read it by yourself at home and solve the questions and answers by your own. Thank you.